Well, yeah, things are very different from the outside compared to what happens inside the change room. The fact that Jinx mentioned what he mentioned is because not just between me and him, but between the whole team, the camaraderie and the relationship is based on trust, and very well knowing that all of us are working towards only one goal, which is to make India win. And I would like to mention that he fulfilled his responsibility in Australia with flying colors, and it was amazing to see how he led the team towards victory, which has always been our goal. Between me and Jinx, we've always enjoyed batting with each other. It's quite evident on the field. We enjoy each other's company, and it's just a mutual respect, bonding, which is more than on the cricket field. We do chat off it as well. We stay in touch, and yeah, it's just based on trust, and hence Jinx said what he said. Between me and him on the field, he's always been someone who's always and always had the capability and the space and the capacity to come and give in his inputs at different stages of the game. And we do have discussions on the field as to where the game is heading. I do go and discuss a lot of things with him to get more clarity, a different perspective, other than me focusing on the team plans. That's how we work together, and that is a massive, massive reason for the success of the Indian cricket team in the Test format. And that partnership, that camaraderie, will continue to be the same as it has been. And the mindset for me, for him, for the whole team remains to take Indian cricket forward and lead the Indian cricket team towards victories, and it will continue in the same manner. Well, bowling combination obviously will try to give us as many options as possible, along with guys having the ability to contribute with the bat. That's been the pattern for success for us in home conditions over the last few years, and that continues to be the case this time around as well. The pitch is a normal Chepauk pitch. Quite a nice batting track with spinners getting assistance eventually in the game. But the track is good enough for the fast bowlers to stay in the game also. So it's generally a good cricketing wicket. Something that we saw in the last series that we played against England. The pitches were quite good, and they were good for cricket overall. And the matches were not won inside 2 days or 3 days. They went the distance most of the times, and yeah, it was a hard grind, but something that we as a team enjoy doing, and an example of which you saw in Australia recently as well. So yeah, the combination that we have played in the past where guys can bowl and bat as well is something that's going to be at the forefront of our plans. Yes, Rishabh will start. Rishabh will take the gloves tomorrow, and he's had impact performances in Australia recently, and he's in a good space, and we want him to build on this, along with him improving all aspects of his game, which will happen with more game time and the more confidence he gains playing those games. So yeah, that's how we look at Rishabh. He's come along very nicely after the IPL. He came to Australia. He wasn't a part of the white ball formats, but he kept working hard on his fitness, on his game. And he realized the importance of putting in that work, and he got the results eventually, which all of us were very happy to see, because he's someone that we have backed quite a lot, and for good reason, because of what you saw in Australia is something that he can do with the bat. And that brings in a lot of value to this team, and he will continue to be backed because he's an impact player. And along with his hard work, he can definitely be a very, very consistent match winner for India, and someone that the opposition would definitely be wary of every time they play against India.